It's going to be a video showing my new railway padlocks I got today. These are the Victorian Railway VR7P padlock. I do have the key for it. Note this key would work on all P7 padlocks, but what I'm going to be doing with this, I'm going to leave this in my room all the time. Because these are padlocks I'm going to use on my signals I have. But this is a proper P7 key copy of it, but this is a P7 key with these locks. And all P7 keys would go with this key, and it would work, but I would only use it on my P7 padlocks. These are $50 today from the Victorian Railway Antiques. Let's just open it up like that. One of these is going to be for my searchlight signal, and one's going to be for my Westinghouse free position. So I have 240 volts going into the free position and 110 volts going into the searchlight. They're made by Lockwood, these locks. Not sure how old the locks are, but they're vintage locks. I'll show you where one's going to be put. I'll show you now. This is my Westinghouse free position signal. If I turn it around, there's this hole here. It should be like that. And push it shut like that. And it disables the unlocking mechanism. They spin right round, as you can see. That disables the locking and I can undo the signal. I'll go and get the other pedal and show you where it's going to be put. Here's the other one. So it's going to be put right here. Through there. Locks up like that. What I may do is give these a coat of oil. Because they're old, I might give them a coat of oil to make them loosen them up a bit. But that's where one's going to be put. That's where the second one's going to be put on that signal there. And this key will be put away somewhere. And then the locks will be locked up. The only time I unlock these is when I have to change the light bulbs. I don't need, when I have friends, I don't want them going inside the circle because this has 110 volts in this thing. So I've got a step down transformer for 240 volts down to 110. This one steps down 130 volts down, so it goes 110. That's my new railway padlocks I got today.